Hi, this is Ali Zafar.
And this is Yami Gautam, and you're watching us on BollywoodHangama.com.
Me, Lubna from UK. Ali, what was your reaction when you found out that you have been voted Asia's sexiest man?
I said to my wife, "Yaar, I've been voted as Asia's sexiest man. Why? क्या तुम्हें लगता है मैं sexy हूँ? Yes." So she said it was about time the world found out.
अच्छा.
फिर मैंने देखा अपने आप को शीशे में दोबारा शर्ट पर उतार के मैंने कहा अच्छा मैं सेक्सी हूँ.
Right. Do you think he's the sexiest man in Asia?
Yeah, absolutely. Why not?
And what's the definition of being sexy? In fact, it need not be the looks all the time.
Of course not. You can never define. I think what is it being called a perfect, looker or a conventionally good-looking guy. I think it's always about the attitude. I think it's about not knowing that you're sexy.
Sense of humor as well.
Yeah, of course. His sense of humor is very talented, as I said. His sense of humor. And the fact that being very, very okay, very, very comfortable about yourself, with yourself, about what you are, I think that's...
Siddharth from Bhopal. We want Yami to do big budget films with big stars. When can we see her doing this? You're doing Action Jackson, I believe.
Yeah, I'm doing Action Jackson.
With Ajay Devgn.
I think I choose to do films which I love doing. I think it's irrespective of the budgets. I think you should pick up a film which makes a lot of money rather than, thinking about, I have to do big budget film. Only it should make a lot of money after that. I think I want to pick up in the sense that it should be loved by everybody. It should be. There are some films I think which are beyond numbers, which are beyond. Of course, we all want our films to do well, blah blah blah. All that thing is there, but you should enjoy it. You should love it. The way I think you loved my first film, I'm hoping that you will love Total Siapa as well.
Vicky Donor came, I think, some time back, and this is your second release, maybe. So why this gap somehow? In fact, do you feel it's a bit of a longish gap?
See, if you technically see that, yes, it's been a while, but then it really doesn't bother me. As I said, I've never been in a hurry of doing things. I love Total Siapa. I signed it because I wanted to do it. Had this film been released, a while back, or it would have come just after Vicky Donor, then this would have released immediately after Vicky Donor. The fact that you should work in a way that people should, wait for your films to get released and wait to see you back rather than the whole race of, I've signed some 10 films or I'm a part of this, that. It's nothing. Just
you've been there on television for a lot of your endorsements and everything. I think especially with Siddharth, that endorsement as well.
You're doing all the endorsements.
Yeah.
You're on TV all the time. You must be rich, man. Give me some time.
okay.
Are you gonna take me on a ride in your new car?
Yeah, exactly. I'm very happy. I think about it, and I feel very uncomfortable, when someone asks me this question about endorsements or why so much time. I don't want to say that, maybe because people love me or maybe because I'm this or that. It's nothing. I'm happy with whatever's coming my way. I'm liking it. If I like it, I sign it. I go ahead and.
Whenever I speak with her, she's like, "What are you doing, Yami? I'm shooting an ad."
Yesterday also shooting an ad.
हर रोज एक ad shoot हो रहा है.
Right.
कितनी products दुनिया में बन गई हैं जिसको सब तुम use करती हो.
Susan, ASEAN from Atlanta. For both of you, how's the experience of working with Mr. and Mrs. Kher?
उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर दोनों का बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. तो एक लाइट से मूड के अंदर उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. मतलब वो हल्की हल्की बातों में बहुत भारी बातें कर देते हैं.
वो चाहती भी आप भारी बोले. इनफैक्ट पंजाबियों का घर है.
शी इज ऑल्सो पंजाबी है.
Right.
तो हमारी पंजाबी में बड़ी मज़े की पंजाबी के लतीफ़े और जोक्स. और
मेरा बेस्ट मोमेंट वही होता था टाइम पे जब अली और किरण जी बात कर रहे हैं. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ चुप करके सिर्फ देखना है और सुनना है. They've been some of the most hilarious conversations.
खेर साहब के साथ आई थिंक एक दिन का ही शूट था.
बट
खेर साहब के साथ मैंने वो चश्मे बदूर की हुई है. और खेर साहब ना सिर्फ एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त एक्टर हैं बल्कि बहुत ज़बरदस्त इंसान है. तो उनसे एक्टिंग के अलावा ज़िंदगी के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. तो उनकी स्पिरिट बहुत अच्छी है. आई रियली अडोर पीपल हु आर सो वेल स्पिरिटेड. I thought that he was much younger than I was.
That's something I'll agree with. जब उनसे आप बात करते हैं तो ऐसा नहीं वो.
बल्कि उन्होंने मुझे कहा खेर साहब ने, उन्होंने कहा तुम इतने खोए हुए से इतने बड़े से क्यों मतलब you've matured too soon in your life. I said yeah I know. What do I do? How do I feel like a silly little boy? He said start doing silly little things. So then
You took it too seriously.